Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Trello account. So to do so, I'm just going to open incognito because I'm already logged in into a Trello account here. So if I go to trello.com, I'll find myself already logged in. So as an example for you, if you go to trello.com, you'll find yourself in this page. To create an account, all you need to do, just go and click on Get Trello for free at the top right corner, or you can enter your email here. It's totally up to you. If you want to see the pricing, as you can see, they have a free plan, don't worry. And they have other plans if you want to get more features. Totally up to you. So if you want to create your account and don't want to get through all the boring steps of entering your information manually, and if you do have like a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account, you'll be able to use one of those so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating your account. You can just click on that as an example option. And if you already logged into a Microsoft account, you'll be able to simply click on authorize or allow, and you should be good to go. The same will be for Google, the same will be for Slack, for Apple, as you can see all the options. So as you can see Apple as well. And if you want to do it the manual way, you can simply go here and enter your email. So, for example, let's say this is my email, click on sign up. They'll send me a code. So I'm just going to my email provider, which is Gmail in my case. Here, go to my like accounts, and here I'm just going to copy this. You can close those, come here, enter it, and here I'll have to finish up the information like my full name and the password. Once I'm done with it, click on continue and I'll have my account ready to use. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.